The Honda CR-V has been one of the most popular compact SUVs for decades, loved for its reliability, comfort, and practicality. Now, in 2026, Honda has taken things to the next level with a redesigned CR-V that blends modern style, advanced technology, and efficient performance. Let's take a closer look. Exterior view. The 2026 Honda CR-V arrives with a bolder and more refined design. Up front, it wears a wider grille, slim LED headlights, and a more upright stance that gives it a confident, almost premium SUV look. Along the side, the CR-V carries smooth character lines, chrome accents, and available 19-inch alloy wheels that add to its sporty appeal. The rear has also been refreshed with sleeker LED taillights, a sculpted tailgate, and dual exhaust finishers that hint at its performance side. Overall, Honda has given the CR-V a more modern and upscale presence that stands out on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels spacious, comfortable, and smartly designed. The 2026 CR-V features soft-touch materials across the dashboard, a redesigned center console, and a large touchscreen that blends seamlessly with the digital driver's display. Seating is plush, with generous legroom and headroom in both rows, making long drives a breeze. Honda has also improved sound insulation, keeping the cabin quieter than before. The CR-V is well known for passenger comfort, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The front seats are power-adjustable, heated, and ventilated on higher trims, while the rear seats offer excellent recline angles and ample space for 3 adults. Families will appreciate the wide-opening doors and flat rear floor, which make it easy to install child seats. Practicality has always been a CR-V strength, and Honda makes sure it stays that way. Behind the rear seats, you get a large cargo area that easily fits suitcases, strollers, or sports gear. Fold the seats down, and the flat loading floor opens up massive space, making it one of the leaders in its class. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V offers 2 main options. The standard engine is a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder producing smooth and efficient power, paired with a CVT transmission and available all-wheel drive. For buyers looking for more efficiency, Honda also offers a hybrid version combining a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors, delivering improved fuel economy and a quieter ride. The driving experience is balanced, with confident handling, responsive steering, and a suspension tuned for both comfort and stability. Honda continues to prioritize safety, equipping the CR-V with the latest Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 model also introduces enhanced parking assistance with a 360-degree camera and cross-traffic alert, making urban driving easier and safer. The 2026 Honda CR-V is available in several trims to meet different needs and budgets. The lineup starts with the well-equipped LX, moves up to the Sport and EX trims, and tops out with the luxurious Touring and Sport Touring hybrid models. Pricing is expected to start around $30,000 for the base trim, with the hybrid models and fully loaded Touring trims reaching into the mid-$40,000 range. The 2026 Honda CR-V builds on its legacy of being a family-friendly, reliable, and efficient SUV, while adding a sharper design, modern technology, and improved performance options. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter, a family hauler, or an efficient hybrid, the CR-V remains one of the best all-around choices in its segment.